been so long since we've had a new G Fuel flavor, which really, that's not actually true. We've had a couple new things recently, but all throughout 2020, G Fuel has brought us new flavor after new can, after new this and that. And at this point in time, if we don't get a new announcement every week, it feels like it's been forever since the last announcement. But alas, it is time for another review. You guys have been asking for this nonstop. I'm sorry this review is a little late, as a matter of fact. I originally had some trouble actually getting this flavor, but I finally have it. What's inside of this box, you might ask, is the brand new Wumpa Fruit flavor inspired by Crash Bandicoot. I unfortunately don't have the collector's box, but I do have the flavor, so I can test it out for you guys. Rate it 1 out of 10 and let you guys know if this is something I think you should be picking up as well. Now, I personally haven't heard a lot about this flavor and what people are thinking of it, and I don't quite know what a Wumpa Fruit tastes like. As a matter of fact, it's not even a real fruit. If you don't know what a Wumpa Fruit is, it's from Crash Bandicoot. Just little fruits you collect as you go through the levels. Crash eats them, he loves them, and hopefully we like them just the same. It's said to be a mixture between a mango and an apple, which I love both mangoes and apples, so we're gonna get right into it. But before we do, are you not subscribed? Don't you know that everyone that doesn't subscribe goes to jail? You don't want to go to jail, do you? In all seriousness, we just hit 50,000 subscribers, which I have a thank you video coming very soon for that. We are growing the family. Hopefully one day we'll make it to 69,000 subscribers. If you want to join the family, you can subscribe today. I would love to have you around here. And with that being said, let's open this box. You know what time it is! It's time for guess the item I'm about to open the box with. 3 items. One will be chosen to open the box. Once I present you with the items, please comment down below what you think I'm going to open the box with. The correct answers will get an air hug from me. The wrong answers will also go to jail. So, will we be opening today's box with A, another tub of G Fuel? Will it be B, this power gel I have? Don't know why I have it, but I have it. Or C, this duct tape. You get it? You have 5 seconds to cast your votes down below, starting... Wait for it. Now. Stop! You got duct tape. You're wrong. It's a power drill. How to open box with drill. Almost completely in. There we go. All right, that's a clean cut if I ever seen one. So there it is, everybody. The brand new Crash Bandicoot inspired Wumpa Fruit G Fuel flavor. This obviously being in collaboration with Activision for Crash Bandicoot, It's About Time. It's got an awesome design all the way throughout. Again, I really love all the collaborations G Fuel's been doing this year. Whether it be a collab with Resident Evil or Sonic, and even this time Crash Bandicoot. I don't see other companies doing collaborations like this. With all of these other different branch companies, bringing them in, making cool, unique products for all the consumers, and they haven't disappointed yet, so hopefully they don't disappoint here today. Take your thumb, drag all the way across like this, screw off the top, and let's see what it smells like right off the bat. It's quite a similar scent to that of the golden apple pear. Now I gotta go deep sea diving for the scooper. Okay, I got it. I think I got it. Now that we have the scoop right there, let's open this water bottle, pour some in our cup like this. Glug, 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 glug. By the way, too, as I'm getting this ready, I want to remind you guys that if you want to buy this flavor or literally anything from G Fuel's website, you guys can actually save some money by using my code, which is code DUCK. Sometimes 10% off, sometimes 30% off. I heard using my code actually makes your G Fuel taste better. Not scientifically proven, no. Duck, it you proven. Yes. Let's take one full scoop and put it in here. See what color it actually turns. Oh, it seems to be like a yellowish right off the bat. Look at that golden goodness. In my head, I'm thinking this is gonna taste a lot like the golden apple pear. Cap on tightly, make sure you're secure. Take it and shake! Shake, 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 shake! And done! We got a full mixed cup of the brand new Wumpa Fruit flavor. Let's get a nice pop going. Let's see what we got today. That was Now this smells more similar to the starfruit flavor actually, which is one of my personal top competing flavors between that and hype sauce. So if this tastes anything sort of like that with like a mango kick, this could be a top contender for sure. Take whatever beverage you have in your hand and cheers with me on the screen. Don't spill it. You keep doing this. Let's go ahead and try it out. Wow. It tastes very similar right off the bat to 2 flavors, and I've said them already, the starfruit and the golden apple pear. For that reason alone, the flavor is already really good upon the first couple of sips. Feels like there's elements from both of them for sure, and then you definitely notice the added tang from the mango. I think it's not quite as sweet as the starfruit. Feels as if it's different from the starfruit because it has a bit more of a tartness to it. The reason why I say the starfruit flavor is between my first and second flavor is because of how well-rounded of a flavor it is. It feels like there's some elements of being tart and some elements of being sweet, and they kind of balance each other out. For that reason, I think I like the starfruit more than I like this Wumpa Fruit. But standing alone as its own flavor, it is very solid. I like it a lot. For being what I would consider more on the tart side, it's very tame. It's very smooth. In my personal opinion, this tastes somewhat like a fruit punch, but with more of a tang. You're getting a lot of that mango. You definitely taste the apple flavor. So overall rating for this bad boy, I think I'm comfortable giving this a solid 8 out of 10. Really good again, not quite where starfruit is better than golden apple pear, has its own unique elements to it. If you've been into G Fuel for a while and you like collecting flavors like I do, in my opinion, for novelty reasons, this is a pretty cool pickup. And at the same time, if you're brand new to G FUEL, I feel like this is a really good starter flavor. So 8 out of 10 for me. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below. So happy we finally got a chance to try this out, and I'm really excited for the new Phase X flavor. That review will be coming soon as well. So yeah, that's just about everything from me. Hopefully you're subscribed so you don't have to go to jail. You wouldn't want to have to call your mom and tell her you're in jail, would you? No, you wouldn't. But yeah, if you want to check this out, I'll make sure to link it in the description down below, and hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did and you don't mind doing so, make sure you go ahead and drop a sub-like-ment. That's a subscribe, a like, and a comment, and I will see you in the next video.